Okay, this is your 72-hour forecast. I'm doing this on Wednesday, May 28th. This is for central Pennsylvania. Okay, we'll start off here. This is around 8 o'clock this evening on Wednesday. Temperatures for most areas are in the middle 50s, upper 50s, and a couple of spots down south, but it's basically kind of chilly. And then we got this rain that's going on, and that's why your temperatures are so far down in the 50s today, and it was a raw day. And you can still see this is 8 o'clock this evening. We still have a lot of rain out there, some heavier spots where the yellows are at moving through. This takes you to around 10 o'clock tonight. You can see it's starting to retreat off to the northeast. Still, State College has got some rain. There's some up here towards Wellsboro, north of Williamsport and stuff, and that moves away. And as we get overnight hours, you can see it kind of going by, just a couple of showers left over. As we get tomorrow morning around 7 o'clock, really widely scattered showers, maybe some drizzle in some spots. Temperatures in the morning hours haven't really gone very far, still basically in the 50s across the whole area. As we move this out a little bit into the afternoon hours on Thursday, you can see temperatures have taken a pretty good recovery. Upper 60s for most, some 70s down here in Harrisburg, York, Lancaster, even up this way towards Towanda, up that way. We got temperatures that get to the 70 here, Selinsgrove, Sunbury. Temperatures get to around 70, so that's not too bad. There is maybe, if you look real close in here, you can see a couple of scattered sprinkles trying to move around, but not much to worry about on Thursday. But as we get into Friday, we have another system that wants to move in. This is Friday morning around 7 a.m. And you can see temperatures at that point in time. They didn't go very far, still 50s, but you can see they warmed up. This is a southerly flow now. You got some 60s down here, and that's for the morning at 7 o'clock in the morning. And as we go through the day, you'll see temperatures try to climb up. And this gets you to the afternoon hours, and they've gotten into the 70s, even up to Williamsport. Here's a 75 down by Lancaster, 74 down here towards Harrisburg. But unfortunately, we have some precipitation that wants to start sneaking in late in the day. Now, this is around 2. I'll take this out a little at a time. Here's 3, here's 4 o'clock. And you can see there could be a couple of thunderstorms in here or heavy downpours, but you can see this in here. A general rain of State College all the way to Williamsport, now heading towards Harrisburg. And you'll see this start to move across. This is around 6 o'clock. The heavier stuff has moved to the east, but there's still some of these areas down here, down right around the Mason-Dixon line that might have a little bit of a downpour to them. And then as we get to around midnight, you can see south of Williamsport, down towards State College here. It's kind of your line. You got some yellows in here, which means some moderate rain. And then as we go through the nighttime hours, you can see here's 10 o'clock at night. Here's 11 o'clock Friday night. Here's midnight on Friday night. And you can still see the rain is still, for the most part, coming down. And like I said, you look way down here, Mason-Dixon line, you got some heavier possible showers going on down here, maybe even a flash of lightning and thunder. But this would be around 2 o'clock in the morning, Friday night into Saturday. On Saturday, the temperatures will be below normal. On Sunday, the temperatures will be below normal. And then as we get into next week, we'll start to move above normal for a change. Okay, everybody take care, be safe.